Hey everybody, Sarah Metzger here, and we're going to have some fun with Torah Trope. Yay, Torah Trope! A Sarah Metzger production. Mac and cheese can cause tension in one's colon. For real though, dairy's not my friend now. A skating turkey beast can break its wishbone. An umbrella Ella is not a diamond. I come from a family of 9. My moon boots are wildly inappropriate for bowling. Not this guy again. I'm so tired of hearing him squawk. Squawk, brah. I am not amused. Magnifying glasses refract. I sure like quotation marks a bunch. This U has a tail on its left side and it looks wrong. A skating turkey beast should wear a helmet. Or a skating turkey beast should wear a helmet. And then when we reach the end of an aliyah, we have a slightly more dramatic blue. A skating turkey should wear a helmet. And that's Torah Trope for you. Have fun, read some Torah, make holy sacred choices, the end.